Laispa arpulai ngut kinong thap vote na Meghalaya kila Kyntait Pdiang yaki enumeration form hapok special intensive revision kumuli thot Chief Electoral Officer kejelau Dr. BDR Tiwari hak arpu itrik unaitung arhajar arpun rio. Chief Electoral Officer uli thot badan san pulai hajar kendai spa prangut kinong thap vote kata point kendai nak sispa nak jingdan baro ki bahap apa ki ASDD dan absentee shifted that duplicate hakabasan hajar news pak kendai pesan ngut kidai ki bamdan hajiang kalai hajar lai spa nyup kendai ngut ki belakan riak jaka lai pu hajar lai spa prapu ngut kala klat no hajar kendai ngut ki duplicate balai spa pulai ngut ki Kyntait yagini form yagini baro on shim kat kum ka registration of electors rules kat kendai spa andopo adin bala pensisya bat ailat kababiang haswa ban shim karai kabakat dua ka special intensive revision kala kenjo kendai pupra point iwe hinyo nak sispa hagajing sam ini form kat haduk arpu itrik unaitung hagaba arpu lailak hendru hajar sanspa prapusan teligi form lasam syaki arpu lailak saupu pendai hajar hendriu spa saupusan ngut kinong tap vote kadba kajing pendrung lengba ka kor digital kalakot hendru puar point iwe san nak sispa ki district bela poi sispa nak sispa kajing sam ini form gede ka West Janta Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills but Southwest Garo Hills kadba ka West Khasi Hills kala lam hakamat ka digital entry ke bakot nyup kundai point prahandrio nak sispa Dr. BDR Tiwari ulam maham bagi nang tak vote ibam IT gi form ki bala dak pendap apok kepor ke bala bo on kentup iki haga draft electoral roll kaban spenmi aga santrik unailar arhajar arpuhnrio yagi form la ban IT syagi BLO lane online lingba ka ECI net app bat ke website voters.eci.gov.in usiyo ulai kendo ru ya ki sengsan pertai hak arpu itrik unaitung bat ai kublai ki halor ke jingthong ya ki praspa kendai pu arngut ki booth level agent banyarap hakane kakam
14,07,446 enumeration form already been digitized, accounting 62.15% of the total electorate, marking significant progress in the digitization process. So, some districts like West Jaintia Hill, Southwest Khasi Hill, and Southwest Garo Hill achieved 100% distribution. East Garo Hill 99.9% and Ribhoi 99.8%. So in the digitization also, West Khasi Hill digitized 79.86%, Southwest Khasi Hill 78.5%, East Jantia Hill 75.4%, followed by West Garo Hill 74.03% and Southwest Garo Hill 73.81%. As on 21st July, out of total 53,908 electors constituting 2.29% of total electorate in the state have been identified under the absentee, shifted, diseased, and duplicate ASDD categories. Of these, 5,795 electors have been identified as absent, 13,379 as shifted, 32,382 as diseased, and 2,029 as duplicate, while 323 electors refused to accept the enumeration form. These cases will be dealt with the accordance with the provision of registration of the Electoral Rule 1960 after following the prescribed verification process and providing due opportunity to the concerned electors wherever applicable before any decision is taken regarding the electoral roll. The Office of CEO Meghalaya reiterates that electors who do not submit their duly filled enumeration forms within the prescribed timeline will not have their names included in the draft electoral roll, scheduled to be published on the 5th of August 2026. And all the eligible electors are therefore advised to ensure that their enumeration forms are submitted to their respective booth level officers or through online mode by downloading the ECI net app or visit the website http://voters.eci.gov.in well before the deadline, which is 29th of July, to facilitate their inclusion in the draft electoral roll. To ensure effective implementation and timely completion of the SIR, the CEO Meghalaya has been conducting weekly video conferences with the district election officers, EROs, and AEROs, and we are doing monitoring in the fields also. These review meetings focus on the monitoring progress of house to house distribution, collection of the enumeration form, digitization of enumeration form, other SIR related activities, including facilitating the smooth functioning digitization and all other requisite process during this entire exercise. The election machineries have been directed to closely supervise the work of BLOs through the supervisors, AERO, EROs, and the DCs. So DCs are also making along with their teams to the field visits and getting in touch with the people on the ground through the electors and to know the first hand information and address the concern and issues raised by them. So, and all the activities we are committed and well prepared to complete smoothly within the prescribed timeline by the Election Commission of India.